Make a great choice today with the 2024 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass, thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.